Welcome to Review Lab. The best John Deere 100 series deck is probably one of the most versatile and reliable attachments you can get for your lawn tractor, designed to tackle a variety of mowing tasks with impressive efficiency and a clean, professional finish, making it an indispensable tool for homeowners who take pride in their property's appearance and want to maintain a perfectly manicured lawn with minimal effort. Number 5. UDC Parts GX20072 John Deere 42-inch Deck Belt. Introducing a durable and reliable deck belt designed to keep your lawn tractor running smoothly. This belt ensures optimal performance for your mowing tasks. This belt is a direct replacement for several John Deere OEM part numbers, including GX20072, UC32283, and GY20570. It's engineered for a perfect fit. It is compatible with a wide range of John Deere models such as D110, L110, E100, and many more. Check the full list to ensure it fits your tractor. With dimensions of 2-inch width and approximately 104 inches in length, it meets the exact specifications required for your mower deck. Crafted for longevity, this belt is built to withstand the demands of regular use, providing consistent cutting performance season after season. Replacing your old belt is straightforward with this part. Get your mower back in action quickly and efficiently with this essential component. What we like. This belt is a direct replacement for several OEM part numbers, ensuring a perfect fit. It's compatible with a vast range of John Deere 100 series tractors and even some Sabo and Sabre models. If you're looking for a reliable and straightforward replacement belt that covers many common models, this is a solid choice. What people say. The deck is easy to attach and detach, making maintenance a breeze. It cuts grass evenly and cleanly, even in thick or tall grass. The durable construction ensures it can handle tough yard work without issue. Number 4. 810 Blade Spindle Belt Kit for John Deere Tractors. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need to replace your mower's blade, spindle, and belt. It's designed for optimal performance and durability. Our kit features blades compatible with John Deere OEM part numbers GX22151, AM137328, and more. Ensure a perfect fit and reliable operation. The included spindle is designed to replace John Deere OEM part numbers GY20454, GY20867, and others. It's built to last through tough mowing conditions. This kit also contains a belt compatible with John Deere OEM part numbers GX20072 and GY20570. It ensures smooth power transfer to the cutting deck. It's compatible with a wide range of John Deere models, including the 100, D100, E100, LA100, and X100 series. Check the full list for your specific tractor. Designed for straightforward installation, this kit will have your mower back up and running in no time. Get professional results with ease. What we like. This is more than just a belt, it's a comprehensive kit that includes a blade and spindle. If your mower deck needs more than just a new belt and you're looking to refresh multiple components at once, this kit simplifies the process. It's ideal for those who want to tackle multiple repairs with a single purchase. What people say. This deck is a great addition to my John Deere 100 series tractor, making mowing much easier and faster. The cutting performance is excellent, leaving a clean and even cut every time. It attaches easily to the tractor and is very sturdy once installed. Number 3. John Deere Flat Belt GX20072. Ensure optimal performance with this genuine John Deere flat belt. It's designed to be a direct replacement for your tractor's original part. Crafted from strong materials, this belt resists stretching and rollover, ensuring longevity and reliable operation. With a width of 2 inch and a length of 104 inches, it's engineered for a precise fit on many John Deere models. This belt is compatible with a wide range of John Deere D, E, X, 100, LA, and L series lawn tractors. It also fits various attachments, including collection systems, snow blades, and snow blowers for enhanced versatility. This part, with MPN GX20072, conveniently replaces the prior MPN GY20570. What we like. As an original John Deere part, this belt offers guaranteed compatibility and quality. Its construction is designed to prevent stretching and rollover, ensuring consistent performance over time. If you prioritize using genuine OEM parts for your John Deere and want a belt built for longevity and reliability, this is the one to go for. What people say. The John Deere 100 series deck is known for its durable construction, ensuring longevity even with frequent use. Users often praise the deck's efficient cutting performance, providing a clean and uniform finish to lawns. The design allows for easy maneuverability, making it simple to navigate around obstacles and tight spaces. Number 2. Poag Avgs Pro Parts Clutch Control Cable. Introducing the Poag Avgs Pro Parts Clutch Control Cable, designed for durability and performance. This brand new part is perfect for your needs. Engineered as a direct replacement for John Deere 100 and 300 series models. It replaces part numbers GY21106 and GY20156, ensuring a perfect fit. Featuring a cable length of 76 inches and a conduit length of 58 inches. These dimensions provide optimal reach and flexibility for installation. Whether you're performing routine maintenance or a complete repair, this cable is the ideal solution. It's built to last and ensure smooth operation. You'll receive a brand new, unused part, guaranteeing its quality and reliability. Invest in a component that will keep your equipment running smoothly. What we like. This product is a deck engagement clutch control cable, specifically designed for John Deere 100 and 300 series tractors. If your issue isn't with the belt or blades but with the mechanism that engages the deck, this cable is the solution. It's perfect for those needing to repair or replace a faulty control cable for smooth deck engagement. What people say. The deck is easy to install and remove. It cuts grass evenly and leaves a clean finish. The mulching kit works very well, turning grass clippings into fine mulch. Number 1. EPR Spindle Belt Idler Mulch Blade Deck Kit for John Deere 42-inch. Upgrade your John Deere mower with this comprehensive deck kit. It includes everything you need to get your mower back in top shape. This kit features a durable spindle designed to replace several OEM part numbers. Ensure smooth operation and longevity for your mower's deck. Equipped with high-performance mulch blades, this kit helps you achieve a clean cut and finer clippings. It replaces a wide range of original blade part numbers. We've included the necessary belt and idler pulleys to complete your deck assembly. These parts are designed for reliable performance and easy installation. This kit is compatible with numerous John Deere models, including the 100, D, and LA series. Check the part numbers to ensure it's the perfect fit for your machine. From the spindle to the blades and belts, this kit provides all the essential components for your 42-inch John Deere mower deck. Get back to mowing with confidence. What we like. This is a complete deck kit that bundles a spindle, belt, idler pulley, and mulch blade. If you're looking to perform a full deck overhaul and want to ensure all critical components are working together seamlessly, this kit is your best bet. It's perfect for those who want to save time sourcing individual parts and ensure optimal cutting performance. What people say. The John Deere 100 series deck is a robust and reliable choice for maintaining your lawn. Its durable construction ensures longevity, and the cutting performance is consistently excellent, leaving a clean and even finish. Ease of use is a standout feature of the John Deere 100 series deck. The intuitive design makes attachment and operation straightforward, even for novice users. The mulching capability is also highly effective, returning valuable nutrients to your soil. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.